Welcome to this third installment of the series Motorcycle Camping 2021. In this episode, I ride to my father's house in Skirö, also known as the Garden of Småland. Småland is a county in the southern Sweden, and my father's house is about an hour and a half ride from my hometown Västervik. That is, an hour and a half if you take the fastest route, which I had no intention to do. I had looked up some small backcountry roads with more motorcycle-friendly attributes. My original plan was to go to my dad's, then carry on late afternoon to find a nice campsite for the night. However, the night before leaving, it came to my attention that I had made a mistake. I had managed to double book myself for this day. I was booked in for a photo shoot for a Västervik tourism thing, and I had a birthday celebration at my dad's. Normally, I would easily be able to wiggle myself out of the birthday thing, but as my family said, I should really be there as it was my birthday that was going to be celebrated. On my way, I had a plan to have a look at a bivouac for possible future overnight visit. But when I got there, I couldn't ride all the way due to the dense undergrowth. I didn't want to spend an hour trekking and searching, so I carried on towards Skirö. Some parts of this route were familiar to me. Some I had never been on before. But I'm pretty sure that I will be back. Planning this route, I didn't work on getting gravel and dirt under my tires the entire time. Instead, I kind of let chance decide the road surfaces. It turned out to be a rather delightful mix of paved and unpaved. When I was time-wise halfway there, I turned onto a small forest trail. The fastest route to my dad's house would probably taken me half an hour. Instead, I opted for a maze of trails which would take me closer to an hour and a half, and man, was it worth it. At one point I reached a dead end at the edge of a lake. This place I took a special notice of, as it would make a perfect campsite in the future. In theory, I could bore you to death with footage from this trail, but I'm not going to. Instead, we skip an hour into the future when I arrive at my dad's place. My sister and her husband were already on site with their camper when I pulled in. I was a bit late, but I was happy that I'd chosen the longer route. Eating tarmac on the motorway is neither Betty's nor my cup of tea. Jag har åkt så roliga vägar. Jag har varit ute i skogen här på alltså stigar nästan. Så att, ja, tack. So we're here now at my dad's place, and my brother-in-law just took Betty out for a ride, so I'm waiting for him to come so I can film. I think I hear something coming here now. Yeah. Kör du om du vill.
Alltså.
Vad tycker du om Nicklas ute och kör?
Ja, jag har den här...
Du tittar däråt för att slippa se där. Och titta bort. Hur var det då?
Jättebra.
Ja, precis. I felt thoroughly celebrated as I started to hurry back to Västervik for the photo shoot. The only downside was that I now had to ride the fastest route home. Not that it's so terrible, but with the nice gravel and trails from the way out fresh in memory, of course this wasn't as enjoyable. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the bell symbol for notifications. If you want some stickers, postcards from my trips and your name in the end credit, follow the link to my Patron page below.